What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, I'm bringing back another car review for you guys. So I won't take up too much of your time. I'm doing my mom's brand new car, 2020 Chevy Equinox. So if you're new here, you like this type of video, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it. You gotta take care of your parents, you know. So I know one thing my dad always told me was to do is make sure I take care of my mom. Take care of my grandma. And, you know, if you have been watching my channel lately, he did pass away last year. Rest in peace to my dad. So here it is, the 2020 Chevy Equinox. Almost failed. Show you the little insides. Sorry for the wind noise. Got the passenger seat. Got nice little features. Push to start. What do we get over there on the driver's side? Nice cloth seats. Got the black with the gray insert. This is a Chevy Equinox. Let's check out the back. Back's looking clean. Trunk. Don't mind the little bags back here. They want to slide around, so don't mind that. Nice spacious back here. Got a little storage compartment. Nice compact SUV. Gets the job done. Drives great too. My mom had a Chevy, so we took her old car, traded it in, and we got her this. So the drivers got little features, you know, you got your Bluetooth phone, you know, control everything here. You have your cruise controls. It does have the adaptive cruise system in it, where you can have the front wheel stop on the dime from the front cars and everything. Got the touchscreen. It does come with Apple and Android CarPlay. You see right there, Apple and Android CarPlay. Sunroof. I'll show you the engine. I know some people like to see that. She's only had it for, what's that, Sunday? She's had it for what, a couple of days. Ecotech. It's the engine. I think this is a V6 or a 4-cylinder. I don't know. Gotta look at the paperwork. I will show you the, I think it's heavy. Nice Chevy Equinox. There's no tint on it yet. Plan to put something on, a little bit on it, because I'm telling you, I'll be driving this until I get my new car, which is coming soon. I don't like driving with no tint, man. You see too much in the car. And some people beaming on your arm and everything. You guys let me know. 2020 Chevy Equinox. Let me know what you think about it. It's a great SUV. I like it. Now, there it is right there, the 2020 Chevy Equinox. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys will see. I want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Woo! If you haven't seen, I do have a giveaway video coming out. So stay tuned for that video if it's not out already. But if you did enjoy this video, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. God bless everybody. And I'm signing out of here.